Today I want to show you this RV parking leveling system. It's actually really pretty cool. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending it to me so I can do an unboxing and demonstration. So it comes here in 3 boxes. One is the parts and the power cords. You just hook it into a cigarette lighter and then a USB charger for the module that goes in your trailer or in the back of your RV. And this is a display. It's a cool little heads-up display that we've got. And then this is the module that goes in your RV somewhere, and it goes on the wall, and it's charged with a USB-C connector. So I'm going to put it somewhere in my RV where there's USB, but it can be oriented this way or this way, so you can put it in the front or the back or the side or on one of the cabinets or whatever. And then just as part of the setup, you tell it which orientation it is in your RV. This is a connector with double stick tape on it for the module that goes in the window, but that's pretty much the components of it. So now let's go turn it on and see what it looks like in the RV. So when you're backing up, you can see right on the display 2 little round dials to tell you yes, no, maybe so if you're getting level. Now we're continuing on. I've got this module, and inside the camper you can put it on this side of the camper. Just make sure your camper's level, or you can put it on that inside of the camper this way. I'm demonstrating it out here because I'm going to go get in my truck and show you how it works with the module. To put this on, there's 2 little screws in it, or there's some double stick tape, and this is the level system. I've got a USB-C cord out here, and I had it plugged in, so it's all charged up and ready to go. Alright, so I'm going to show you a demo of this here in my truck. So I push the button and it comes on. I push it and hold it, and it'll turn the speaker on. This is the transmitter that should be on the trailer, but I'm going to show you here. You hold these for 3 seconds, and it calibrates to 0. So now we're ready to go. And I've got this mounted supposedly, when I go on this button, the back, the left side, the right side, the front. Well, I want it on the back, so and I hold the button to exit, and I've got it calibrated. So now as I'm backing the trailer in, if I move it just a little bit, it's really sensitive. It shows you how many degrees it's off, which way, whether it's front, back, right, to left. And you see as I'm doing this, like I said, it's really sensitive. But this is going to be really cool to have the fact that this is wireless connected to this, and this is just plugged into my 12-volt outlet, but it's all charged up and ready to go. So that's a demo of all of the operation of it. It's a demo of how the readout is, and it shows how sensitive. So to calibrate it, get your RV level and put it in a really flat parking lot. Calibrate it, it'll just stay calibrated, and then as you drive and back in and out, you can check pitch and roll and get yourself parked and oriented and in good shape.